Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In previous videos we have learned about list in Python, and in this video we are going to learn about tuples in Python. So tuples and list both are almost same, but one main difference between both of them, that is list is mutable data and tuple is immutable. So as I told you that what is immutable and what is a mutable. Mutable meaning is that we can modify inside content of a data, that is called a mutable, and immutable mean that we cannot modify that. So how can we define a tuple in our Python? As we know that we use to define list as a square bracket. Okay, so example for here I am create one variable. So how can we define our tuple? We cannot use square bracket, because whenever we use square bracket, that means we are defining a list. Okay, so here we will use a round bracket or a parenthesis. Okay, so in that I am going to pass a values. Okay, so that is our tuple. Now I'm going to print this tuple. So you can see that. Now how can we fetch data from our tuple? So we can use like this, my tuple of 0. Can we use square bracket when we are fetching the data? Yes, we can use a square bracket whenever we are fetching the data from our tuple. So one thing is that whenever we use to fetch the data, at that and that only time we can use square bracket. We cannot use square bracket to define our tuple. Okay, so when I do my tuple of 0, that time it will show me the first element of our tuple. So I'm going to print another one, my tuple of 1. Okay, so what happen if I am going to change the inside content of our tuple? What if I do like this, my tuple of 1 is equal to 33. So when I print my tuple, so you can see that it will give me error that tuple object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot assign a new values in our tuple. Okay, so what is use of tuple in Python? So tuple are generally used to group together a data. Example for we have such a data like person name, their age, their mobile numbers and all that things, that data we do not want to change. That time we can use tuple. Okay, the another thing is that the tuple is much more faster than our list. Why? Because tuple are immutable. Okay, so that time whenever we iterate our tuple, that time it will become a faster, because tuple is immutable data. Okay, so what are the methods we can use in our tuple? So when I do like this, my tuple dot, so you can see that we have only two methods, that is a count and index, that can we use in our tuple. So here we do not, here we have not method like append and all that things, because our tuple is a immutable. That means we cannot add a new data. That's why we have two methods. So what count will do? So count will show how many times our data appears in our tuple. So example for if I going to print how many times our 34 appears, so you can see that it is saying that we have 2 times 34 appears. Okay, so that's it for our video guys. So in this video we have learned about tuples. If you have any question, just let me know in comment section below. So guys, that's it for our video.